If you want to see how I made this beautiful and delicious dish, please stay tuned. So these are the ingredients that are pictured here. 5 jumbo shrimp, peeled and deveined, seasoned with garlic powder, Creole seasoning, and red pepper flakes, red and green bell peppers, onions, little smokies beef sausage. So I'm placing a tablespoonful of olive oil and moving it around in the pan to make sure it's fully covered, and placing in the ingredients. And now I'm just going to let it cook. So this is a quick dish that I like to prepare when I want something really quick and easy and still has that bold, intense taste and is absolutely delicious. So you really want to see some browning on the sausage before you turn the heat off. It's really up to you how much browning you want on the sausage. So I'm going to cook the shrimp in a pan by itself to avoid overcooking it. So now I'm placing in about a tablespoonful of the vegetable oil, and I'm putting the rice in there and let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. I will be placing in about a teaspoon of soy sauce. So now the next step is to put in the little smoky sausage and the peppers and onions. I'm going to hold off on putting in the shrimp to the last minute so that I don't overcook it. And the next step in the process is to make the eggs. So I prefer not to season my eggs because overall the dish does have a lot of flavor to it. We are all done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, be blessed.